morning everyone. Today our topic is programming with Angry Bird. So let us start with our video.
Now, help me sneak up on the pig any way you want to.
Now we have to move the Angry Bird to the bad way. So we have to put 3 moves forward. Instead of moving 3 moves forward, we will put a repeat of 3 times. Then we will first have to insert the move forward in it. Now we will turn right and again move forward for 3 times. After moving forward, we have to turn left and again move forward 3 times to catch the bad pig. Now this is the code for the angry pig to come to the bad pig. Now let us run and check that this code is fine or not. So now the angry bird has reached to the bad pig, and now we have completed our